We are weeks away from the Galaxy S26 Ultra launch, and the leaks are no longer just rumors, they are detailed reports from the most trusted names in the tech world. Today, we aren't just skimming the surface. I am going to break down every single major source, one by one, so you know exactly who said what, and what facts back it up. If you want the truth without the hype, this is the video for you. Let's dive into the deep web findings. First, let's look at the camera, specifically the fix for that annoying sky banding. USwitch has gone on record to say the hardware specs are finalized. He confirms the main sensor remains at 200 MP, but here is the key figure: the aperture is opening up to f/1.4. Why does this matter? A wider aperture lets in more light naturally, reducing the need for aggressive software processing. Funny Arena backs this up, adding that Samsung has rewritten their image processing pipeline. They report that the sky banding issue, those noisy lines you see in blue skies, is finally gone. They claim the new processing rules specifically target color gradients in low light. So, cleaner photos, less noise, and specific specs: 200 MP main, 50 MP ultra-wide, and a 50 MP 5x telephoto. Next, let's talk design. Saudi Android shared what appears to be a physical dummy unit of the S26 Ultra. The biggest takeaway: the camera design has changed. Instead of 5 separate floating rings, the dummy unit shows a unified camera module. It looks very similar to the module we saw on the Fold series. He also highlighted the new color, describing a white shadow variant that is an extremely pure, bright white, not the creamy white we saw on the S23. To add facts to that visual, OnLeaks provided the exact dimensions. He states the phone measures 163.4 by 77.9 by 7.9 millimeters. That 7.9 mm thickness is crucial. It means despite the bigger battery, the phone is actually getting thinner. Now, the most exciting feature, the privacy display. Taran Vats on X found the smoking gun. He posted a leaked screenshot from One UI 8.5 showing a literal button in the quick panel labeled Privacy Display. The icon is a phone with a shield. This proves it is a user-accessible toggle, not just background tech. Then, Android headlines went deeper. They report that this feature uses Flex Magic Pixel technology. It's not just software dimming the screen. The hardware physically directs light straight forward, so people sitting next to you see nothing. Extreme Tech added even more detail. They found a blog post that Samsung accidentally published and then deleted. That post mentioned coin non-polarized light technology to improve clarity. Extreme Tech says this feature is exclusive to the Ultra model, so don't expect it on the standard S26. What about toughness? For this, we look to Mashable. They published a report analyzing the new glass tech. They state the S26 Ultra will use next Gen Gorilla Armor. Their report claims this glass has a crystalline structure that resists deep scratches. Mashable suggests that for the first time, you might truly not need a screen protector. They compared the tech to liquid glass, saying it handles drops significantly better than the ceramic shield found on iPhones. Finally, when can you buy it, and how long will it last? According to USwitch, mark your calendars for February 25, 2026. That is the likely global release date. But they didn't stop there. USwitch also leaked the power specs. They claim the S26 Ultra is finally upgrading to a 500 mAh stacked battery. And for charging, they report Samsung is breaking the 45-watt limit, moving to 60-watt wired charging. This is a huge jump that we have been waiting for. So, that is the roundup. USwitch on the camera, Saudi Android on the design, Taran Vats on the software, and USwitch on the power. If you appreciate deep dive research like this, please hit like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. I'll see you in the next one.